not able to figure out, but one more person is missing from here.
Sir, Ilham.
So Ilham and Ullas.
Ullas, though I know.
Ilham.
Ilham is also not here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So today we are going to learn a few more things. Okay. So if you remember, few days back, when we started with the discussion on print, we had seen that, okay, that print function. Why is print a function? Because after the word, it is immediately followed by parenthesis. So print function is used to display three types of things or outputs in Python. One I said was messages, or more correctly when we coin the term, that will be strings, which are enclosed within single or double quote. So strings are what? Alphanumeric sequence of characters wherein single or double or even triple quotes, but we will discuss triple quote functionality sometimes later. Triple quotes. Okay. So we have discussed this part. This part is done. The other two things that print is used to display is
Values. Values.
Numeric values, and what are other things? Numeric value and result of expression. Numeric values and result of expressions. Okay. Right. So we will take up these two topics are very small. I'll try to wrap it up very quickly. Okay. So we'll focus our attention now to printing numeric values. That's very simple. Printing or displaying numeric values. Numeric values. How will you do that? Let me open in interactive mode only. See, if there are one or two things you need to test, you can immediately open interactive mode. If some large program is there, then go for a script mode. अगर one line का कुछ change check करना है, तो you better go for interactive mode only. Let's say I'll go into interactive mode by typing Python. Python prompt appears. Right. So when I say we can use numeric values also to print, that means the numeric values which we will be writing will be anything like 23. Oh, sorry, what I did? I wrote Python instead of print. Print 23. You can see 23 appearing. How do you know that it is not a string?
It's not enclosed in quotes.
It's not enclosed within quotes. Very good. Okay, so numeric values won't be enclosed within quotes. You can even write -5, even -5.76, anything, 15.769. So Print can also be used to print pure numeric values, okay, which may be numbers, pure numbers, mathematical numbers, and they will not be enclosed within any types of codes. So we will write some points for printing.
Sir, if we enclose within quotes also, it will come.
We'll come to that. For numbers, for pure mathematical numbers, we'll write pure mathematical numbers. Okay. Shouldn't be within quotes. But now coming to the question, what if I write here, instead of this, I put it within single or double quotes? Is there any difference in output?
No, sir.
But is there any difference between the two prints?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure. So one question you can, this gives rise to or birth to one question that we can discuss.
ये ना अपनी इंजीनियरिंग में
Shiva,
ज्यादा
mute
आगे
your
तक
mic.
मतलब टिप्स सब
Mute your microphone, please. Okay. Yeah, microphone mute करके रखा करो. No worries, it may happen. Right. So one question is there. Is there a difference between 23 and 23 within single or double quotes? Can you tell me?
So the only difference is quotes, no, sir.
No.
Just minute. Okay, the only difference is
The numerical value.
yeah,
And 23 with quotes is a string.
correct. That is the answer. I will tell you how they will differ. It will be more clear when I'll take up this. Immediately now I'll take up that third part. Okay. So the answer is yes. 23 is a numeric value, whereas within quotes 23 is a string value.
Sir, but the output is the same.
Output is same. We'll come to that. Have patience. Give me 10 more minutes. Okay. We'll come to the this thing. Where will the behavior change? I will show you. Right. So we have also seen, I'll come back to this thing in 10 minutes, around 5-10 minutes. But for now, we have also seen that print can also be used to display pure numbers which need not be enclosed within quotes. Right. This is clear. You don't have to do anything. Only thing that cannot be within quotes is, as of now we have seen, is other than the strings is, that is strings will be within quotes, but other than that, what else can you use within print? You can also use numbers. Okay. Fine. Now we'll take our discussion further. We'll come to third type. Printing the result of expression. Okay. What do we mean by printing the result of expression? But first of all, what is expression? Any idea? Anyone?
It consists of operations in between numeric values.
Okay, it consists of operations in between numeric values. Good, very good. That's the answer I was looking for. But in order to understand that, let us go to the next page and we will see. Here Shivam was right. Expressions are examples of expressions we'll take. For example, 3 plus 2, it's an expression. Another example, 5 minus 3 multiplied by 7. Just one thing to remember, I will give you a rough idea of different types of mathematical operators that you can use in Python. Okay, we'll again come back to it in some time. Math operators. Ops. One is plus. Plus is for? Come on, it's very simple. Addition.
Adding two values.
Addition or summation? Yeah, Bharat, correct. Minus is negation or subtraction. Okay. Mathematics, you write sort of X symbol for multiplication, but from now on,
Star.
it will be this symbol, and in computer terminology, it will be called asterisk. Okay, I'll tell you. Asterisk. Okay, asterisk. This will be stand for multiplication. Okay.
Slash for division.
Forward slash. Okay. Backward slash signifies? Yeah, come on.
Escape sequences.
Starting of escape sequence.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Revise karte raho. Slowly and slowly we are making a lot of progress. Okay. Anything else is, yeah, we will come to this. This is percentage symbol, but we don't say it percentage. We call it modulus operator, which means it is also known as remainder operator. It is used to find remainder. Okay. So we'll come to them in a minute. So this is also one this expression.
What is the percentage symbol called, sir?
Modulus operator.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Modulus operator. This is asterisk. Okay. This is asterisk. Multiplication. Fine. So this is an example of expression. Another example can be 3 divided by 2 plus 27 whole multiplied by 7 whole divide modulus 5. Okay. Remember one more thing. Note in programming language or in Python or in any programming language, programming languages, not only in Python, all languages, only simple bracket is used for grouping expressions. You don't have curly bracket, box bracket, just like mathematical this just like mathematics in BODMAS you use na box bracket, bar bracket, curly bracket. Only one type of bracket is used, that is simple bracket or the simple or round brackets.
Sir, in all computer operations.
In not in all computer operations, in all computer languages, not only in Python, C, C++, Java, R, whatever. Okay. So then how, then you will say, sir, which one to give preference to? Can you tell me here which one should be operated first? Here both brackets are there.
BODMAS rule. First
Same
BODMAS
position will be.
No. That what I'm asking, if there are more than one simple brackets in the expression, which bracket should be solved first? Both are
Sir,
on
the one
The
inside.
innermost.
Inner one.
innermost, correct. So that is how Python works or all other programming languages work. We will use only round brackets, but yes, the innermost will be solved first. Okay. Right. I can write innermost solved first. Innermost solved first. Now, have you understood what are expressions? Expressions are containing mathematical numbers and mathematical operators which need to be evaluated to get a single result. Okay. So expressions are, we can say now, I will give you two terms. Expressions, more technical definition I'll give you now. Expressions are made up of two different types of, or rather it has two components. One is operator and another is operand. Now tell me, if in the example you have 3 plus 5, which one is operator and which one is operand?
Sir, the addition symbol
Plus
is
is
operator
operator
and
and
the
3 and
numbers
5
are
are
operand.
operand.
Okay, so how many operands we have?
2.
2. Okay, so we will say this 3 and this 3, they are operands. Okay, and this plus symbol is operator. Okay, correct? Or rather, I'll use different color because operator is there. I'll use this is operator. Okay, clear hai? See, now in this, can you tell me which are operators and which are operands? 2 slash 2, 3, 27, 7 and 5, they are operands. And whatever is left, star, even the brackets, even this modulus operator, everything else is operand. So we can say that
Brackets too?
yeah. So we can say that operators, or rather operators, are the operations or the processing. What process has to be performed in that, or what simplification or what process has to be, or what operation has to be done on the in that expression. On what? On operands. And operands are the values on which operators operate. So I will write here operators or rather operands are the values on which operators operate. Correct? Similarly, we can say operators denote the processing simplification or operation to be performed on the operands. And what are operands? The values in the expression. In the expression. Is it clear? Okay. किसी को doubt है तो take 10 seconds, 15 seconds rather, have a look on the screen, and then those who are having doubts may raise your hand. So your time starts now. Have a look on this slide.
Sir, no doubt, sir.
Okay. Welcome back. Yes. So everybody is clear with the concept?
Yes, sir.
Operators. Okay. Here पृथ्वीराज बताइए.
सर the answer होगा वो points में भी आ सकता है.
अंदर जो है क्या? What are you saying? Just a minute. हाँ. Tell me.
सर जो आंसर होता है वो पॉइंट में आ सकता है.
Answer होता है point. You mean to ask if this
Decimal,
question is decimal?
Yes sir, yes sir.
अच्छा 3.5 if we write.
Yes sir.
जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 देखो जो 3.5 डेसिमल नंबर्स होंगे, नंबर्स कंटेनिंग डेसिमल पॉइंट्स विल बी देयर ना, दैट विल बी काउंटेड. डेसिमल विल बी द पार्ट ऑफ ऑपरेंड ओनली.
So can we use double hash for division?
डबल
Slash.
देखो वही मैं बोलता हूँ ना, अगर कहीं देखे हो तो दैट इज नॉट रिकमेंडेड. ओके, दैट इज वन ऑफ द ऑपरेटर्स बट आई केप्ट इट फॉर लेटर टाइम. आगे रीड मत किया करो. Anyways, I'll explain you. Double slash is also there. Yeah, you are correct. And we will use it extensively. Okay.
Okay sir.
Don't read anything prior. वो दिक्कत कर देगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't want you to learn. I will teach you everything. इसलिए थोड़ा confuse कर जाओगे.
Sir, those last two escape sequences are, that's it, sir.
That is for your exploration. उसको explore करो. फिर उस पर कभी discuss करेंगे. Okay. राइट. तो यहां पे हो गया ऑपरेटर्स एंड ऑपरेंड हमारा डिस्कस हो गया. जस्ट टू टेल यू वन थिंग, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम कंप्यूटर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बट स्टिल आई विल टेल यू. जब भी एक्सप्रेशन में इक्वल टू साइन यूज कर लेंगे ना, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 3 + 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 8, राइट, देन दिस बिकम्स व्हाट?
Equation.
इक्वेशन. करेक्ट. When expression में equal to sign आ जाता है which relates two sides of the equality, तो मतलब दो expressions को equate करके कोई relation लिखते हो ना, that becomes equation. ठीक है? So this will be now termed as equation. Just to so that you are aware. So equation is formed of expressions, you can say, on LHS side, on RHS side. Okay. Is a single number an equation? Sorry, expression?
No.
Why not? It can be. ठीक है, चलो उतना कोई अंदर जाके टेक्निकल टर्म्स नहीं पूछेगा. Okay. नहीं है, सिंगल नंबर को एक्सप्रेशन हम लोग नहीं बोलेंगे, दैट्स अ सिंगल वैल्यू, करेक्ट। सो अब हम लोग विद दिस नॉलेज वी विल, अब हम लोग जान गए हैं कि व्हाट इज एक्सप्रेशन। सो हाउ विल पाइथन डिस्प्ले मी द रिजल्ट ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन? पाइथन व्हाट इट डज इज, I'll come back to the board. So I'll go to the next page.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर,
Yeah.
सर मैंने एक ऐसे एक्सप्रेशन लिखी, मतलब ब्रैकेट्स भी है, डिवाइड भी है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी है, लेकिन आंसर नहीं आ रहा, डॉट 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 आ रहे हैं 3।
Okay, we'll check. रुक जाओ. Let me first complete. So we can say that. So print function can also be used to display the result. Result is a keyword, underline कर लेना. Result of the expression. That means expression won't be printed, but its result will be first calculated and then that result will be printed. Okay, for example, we can give print, then we can write 5 plus 3. Check it out. Script में भी लिख सकते हैं, but these are one-liners, so immediately we will get the answer. That's why we are writing in interactive mode. You can write 5 plus 3. Yes, tell me what is your expression? तुम्हारा expression क्या है?
सर ब्रैकेट ओपन,
Bracket of, let me write first print. Yeah.
if you have to write print also sir, okay let me check then.
Interactive mode पे कर रहे हो तो print लिखोगे ना, वैसे बताओ तुम expression बताओ, we'll write, हम लोग भी देख लेंगे.
882 divided by 8, then minus,
माइनस ब्रैकेट के बाहर है या अंदर है?
सर ब्रैकेट के अंदर ही है,
ओके
माइनस ब्रैकेट ओपन,
ब्रैकेट ओपन है. ओके
उसके अंदर एक और ब्रैकेट ओपन,
ओके फाइन.
5 into 6
5 into
6
6
ब्रैकेट क्लोज, ब्रैकेट के बाहर,
don't say into, it's say asterisk in mathematics.
सर asterisk, ब्रैकेट सर ब्रैकेट के बाहर +5,
plus, so it just,
ब्रैकेट के बाहर सर
okay,
+5
plus
5, डन सर.
So let me see if we have the matching bracket. ये bracket यहाँ open हुआ है, it has been closed here. Okay, then this bracket has opened here. And
It is correct.
Correct.
It's matching, sir.
Okay, fine. We are getting the answer.
Sir, I think he did not write print.
Print के
I'll
बिना,
see once again sir.
but it's okay. You will get the answer. Fine. Right. Now you may ask, sir, which is correct? Print 5 plus 3 or print 5 space plus space 3.
So are they both the same?
Both are correct. Space doesn't make any difference. 1 space though, 2 space though, they won't make any difference in your execution.
Sir, if we give tab amount of space,
Doesn't matter. Let us check. मैं space भी दे दूंगा and after that I will give tab as well. Okay. So space and tab doesn't make any difference in your whatever you say in this this performance of this mathematical or solving this mathematical operation. So what we see is the result is this expression is not printed, but the result of the expression is first calculated, that is obtained, and then that is printed. Correct?
Yes.
Clear है सबको यहाँ पे?
yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody having doubt may let me know here. Okay.
सर डन सर, मेरा हो गया
Sir.
आंसर.
Okay, good. Yeah, others also, Pooja, Ruchika, Nanika, Tejas.
Yes, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, good. बोलते रहो, बताते
Sir.
रहो बीच में. Yeah.
So if we want to print 5 plus 3 equals to 8
5 plus 3
equals to 8.
equals to 8. बताओ क्या करोगे?
The full statement, sir.
You tell me. Anything?
5 plus 3 equals to 8. We want in result, sir.
You want
8 in a result.
रिजल्ट चाहिए, ऐसा तुम्हें चाहिए दिखाना कि 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. It should print like that. So one simplest way is, though I know that objective won't be fulfilled, 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. This is one way. Okay. But I get it कि तुम कहां जाना चाह रहे हो, ठीक है, बट उस पे भी हम लोग आएंगे. फॉर नाउ तो ऐसे ही लिख सकते हैं. इफ यू हैव टू राइट समथिंग, एक्सप्रेशन भी दिखाना है, तब तो यू हैव टू पुट इट इन एज एन स्ट्रिंग. ठीक है. सो या
Sir, if you write instead of plus, if you write add, then it will operate, sir.
वी विल कम टू दैट.
Command will be executed.
वेट, अब उसी पे आ रहे हैं. वी आर कमिंग टू दैट ओनली. ओके. सो नाउ यहां तक समझ में आ गया. इग्नोर करो दिस पार्ट को, इग्नोर इट. वी विल जस्ट टेक इट अप नाउ अगेन. बट ये जो मैंने बताया था कि यूजिंग प्रिंट, not only you can display single mathematical numbers, not only you can display string values that are within quotes, but you can also display the result of the expressions. Is it clear? यहां तक सबको क्लियर है? So we can say that we have seen all the three types. ठीक है, हम लोग इस पे आएंगे अभी, डोंट वरी. सो यहां तक क्लियर है कि वी कैन प्रिंट स्ट्रिंग्स, वी कैन प्रिंट इंडिविजुअल न्यूमेरिक वैल्यूज, वी कैन ऑल्सो प्रिंट द रिजल्ट ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशंस, राइट? ओके, अब हम लोग थोड़ा सा आगे. सो नाउ we will see few more examples. Let's say example 1. What will happen if you write print? अब थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट करेंगे इसको. High plus 3.
Sir, I have a doubt in the expression.
Yeah.
Can you execute it for me?
You have doubt in one expression. Tell me.
Sir, bracket open.
Just a minute. Bracket open.
1728
1728
divided by 12
divided by 12
into 4.
multiplied by 4. Huh?
That's all.
Now you will see. So what is your doubt?
Sir, why the 0 comes?
Why that 0 comes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will come to that later. अभी नहीं आएंगे. Data types पढ़ेंगे, उसमें हम लोग समझेंगे कि why that 0 comes. Fine. उस पे हम लोग आएंगे. Don't worry, we'll come to it. Now tell me. अब हम लोग थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लेक्स एक्सप्रेशन लिख रहे हैं. इज दिस नॉट एन एक्सप्रेशन? 2 ऑपरेंड्स separated by an operator. But now the problem is mathematics does not define anything कि string को number से कैसे add कर सकते हैं. How can we add strings with number? We will check. Is it possible? So what do we get? Some error. What is this? अभी इसको ignore करो what is error, but we come to a conclusion that a string value cannot be added to a number, numeric value. So we will write this is an error. string cannot be added to a numeric value. Okay. Example 2. So one side is string and another side we will leave it that way. Okay. Now we will write hi plus hello. What if two strings are there? We saw that numeric value done. We have seen here. Okay. We have seen that string numeric value error. What about string value?
Sir, I suppose it comes like hi
Hi,
and
hello.
without space hello.
Let us see. So what it came?
Hi, hello without space in the middle.
Hi, hello. That
Default
means
space.
when two strings were placed as operand alongside or as a separator, we gave mathematical operator plus. Then what happened? They simply got merged. Okay.
So what if we replace the plus with minus?
देख लेते हैं करके.
And sir, what if we don't write these codes?
What if we don't write this?
These double inverted commas.
Then you tell me what type of data value will it be? Will it be a numeric value if I write only hi? Will it be a numeric value? Is hi a numeric value?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Is it a string value?
Yes, sir, but not until we have codes.
No, but नहीं आएगा, या तो होगा या नहीं होगा. Either it will be or it will not be.
Yes.
So
Strings.
is it a string value?
Yes, sir.
String का rule क्या था? Anything which is string must be enclosed within quotes. Is it enclosed within quotes?
No, sir, it will not come. Error
It
is
is not a
coming.
string value. So what is it? We will see that later. Okay. अगर ऐसा कुछ लिखेंगे तो वो क्या होगा उस पे आएंगे, but not now. ठीक है. So we see that when merges. So what is that is merge? This merging will only happen when
Plus, there's plus.
strings are separated by plus operator. What about minus? In that I will change to they are between quotes. It will be 3a. हाँ वो आ जाएगा. We'll see that. Minus पे Bharat, I am coming to your doubt. Minus में कुछ नहीं हुआ. That means we will see the hi minus hello. B क्या दे दिया? It gave you error. Okay. So just one. I have to reply one message. Give me a minute. Okay. Few more new students are there, I guess. Okay, we'll see. Fine. तो ये भी error हो जाएगा. Okay. So we learn that with numbers, I'll give you a general rule. Bharat, yes, you wanted to see what will happen for your case, right? I'll show you. So you wanted, क्या हुआ?
ऊपर से छुरी क्यों लेना?
You wanted. We'll come to that. Wait. आगे jump मत करो. मेरे साथ साथ चलो. Star पे क्या होगा? Multiplication पे क्या होगा? Division पे क्या होगा? We'll come to that. So if yeah, Tejas. अच्छा Tejas का था. Print. हाँ ये बताओ. 3a plus 4a. One of your friends is having doubt. What will be the output of this?
Sir, 3a plus
So 3a, 4a.
Exactly as it is. Why? It is a string, right? अब कोड्स के अंदर जो भी लिखोगे कंप्यूटर दिमाग नहीं लगाएगा. It won't apply.
3a plus 4a.
as it is.
So, but if we write 3a under quotes and plus 4a under quotes, then it will come as 3a, 4a, no, sir.
Again, it will come as 3a, 4a. मतलब plus नहीं आएगा, but it will come as 3a, 4a. So what we mean is, concept समझो. So I'll summarize everything. ठीक है? So in the next page, I'll give you a summary. Okay. So in expression, if all operands are of numeric types, then results would be as per laws of mathematics. Okay, and all operators will work. Plus ho, minus ho, multiplication ho, division ho, where all the values are only of numeric types. All operators will work. However,
Sir, one doubt.
let me complete this.
Okay.
After that, I'll take it. However, in case of strings, point 1, rather यहीं पे continue करते हैं. In case of strings, only plus and plus is not a string. चलो मैं उसको different color में ही लिख देता हूँ, नहीं तो string समझ लोगे. Only plus and asterisk operators will work. वो क्या करेगा मैं बताता हूँ अभी. Operators will work. ठीक है? So what will happen in case of plus operator? ठीक है, मान लेते हैं we have plus operator. So plus के केस में क्या होगा? All the operands in the expression involving plus all the operands in the expression involving plus must be strings only. In which case it will result in what? Merging of all the strings. Merging of all the strings to form a single new string. Okay. For example अगर इसका ले लें, print hi plus hello. इसका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? आउटपुट will be hi hello single string which will be displayed on the screen. यही ना आ रहा था, देखो, we have seen here, right?
Yes, sir.
Remember, if you are using plus with a string, then then other side of the plus, see, if plus is in the middle and then on one side there is a string, then on other side also there must be a string. Okay, then what will happen? Both will be merged, single string will be given, will be obtained, that is hi hello, and that will be printed. Okay, so ये कितने स्टेप में काम होता है? First of all, what will happen is this will be merged into single string hi hello, and then this will be printed by printed. Okay, ये कंसेप्ट समझ में आया कि when plus you are using, and with plus, if on one side, either of the one side there is a string, then other side also must be a string, नहीं तो error आ जाएगा. You cannot have a plus with one side string and another side numeric value. Is this concept clear? If you are using plus,
Yes,
and
sir.
on one side there is a string, on another side also there must be a string. Okay, this can be generalized as well. Example, ये generalized भी किया जा सकता है. That means print, we'll extend this class 15 minutes maybe, तो थोड़ा सा have patience. आज बहुत सारा नया चीज सीख रहे हैं हम लोग. Hi, hello, and you can have third addition also, by. But remember, अगर plus है तो इस plus के भी both the sides you have string. This is also a string, this is also a string, this is again plus, तो इस plus के भी both the sides you have a string, this plus के भी both the sides you have string. So whenever plus is involved with the strings, make sure that all the plus symbols have strings on the other side. ये concept clear है? देख लो.
Yes, sir.
Different quotes in both the strings. मतलब क्या? एक और प्लस यहीं डाल देते हैं. मान लो इस बार सिंगल कोट्स में है. What will be the output?
3a 4a by.
हाँ, as a single string. ठीक है? Is it clear? Everyone, let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
Vijay.
yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Rolvin, hope you are following. राइट। अब हम लोग आते हैं, अब इसी चीज का एक टेक्निकल टर्म होता है, ठीक है, दैट आई विल राइट। merging of two or Ruchika, you tell me what will happen. Ruchika wants to know sorry, and 6 plus 4. Now, Ruchika, for you, plus sign is in what? On one side of the plus, you see 6 within double quotes. So wherever, forget about the content, wherever anything is contained within double quotes, that qualifies as string.
Strings.
Right. So if 6 is a string, then don't you think on the other side of the plus also there must be something contained within double quotes? Yes. So therefore, because 6 you have enclosed within double quotes, it no more qualifies as a numeric value. It has become a string value. So therefore, you cannot perform this merging operation, because merging operation along with plus is only allowed if on both the sides of plus you have any value. Forget about the content. Anything and everything must be enclosed within single or double quotes. देखो, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
So that means merging of.
Sir, bracket do not.
Lost your voice, Shivam. कुछ बोल रहा था
Sir,
क्या?
but bracket do not affect the expressions, no, sir. In previous one time, you have done that 5 plus 3 in bracket and it has shown 8.
Where? बताओ किधर किया? ये वाला? This one?
Before this.
हाँ?
One time you have done 5 plus 3 in brackets, you have, and the result was 8.
Yeah. Where I have, देखो प्लस, देखो प्लस के दोनों तरफ क्या न्यूमेरिक वैल्यूज है ना? It's okay. Mathematical, देखो point number 1. If in expression all operands are numeric types, you see in this expression all operands, operand क्या क्या है? 5 and 3, they are of numeric types. Normal mathematics will apply. If you have strings, then with the strings only plus will work, or multiplication symbol, that is asterisk, will work. And in strings, if you have plus, then on both the sides of plus you should have quotes, anything that is strings. Yes, बताओ मुझे कि डाउट किस पॉइंट पे है?
Okay, no, sir, I have seen wrong.
हाँ?
By mistake, I have seen 5 plus 3, sir. Sorry.
Okay, fine.
So what if we want to find the power of a number, exponential form?
Exponents वो सब पे आएंगे.
Okay.
आएंगे. मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं रहने दूंगा जो कि तुम लोग नहीं जानोगे. You will come to know everything. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा रखो. I understand कि नया सीख रहे हो तो you want to grasp more and more, but थोड़ा
So
patience.
why the trace back call last will come?
वो छोड़ो, that is a way of telling you the error. जब हम लोग functions पढ़ेंगे तो उसका मतलब समझेंगे.
Okay.
अभी बस जान लो कि error दे रहा है वो. That is an error. Okay. Now I was telling you one technical term of this operation. If you are merging two or more strings which are separated by plus symbol, to give you one single string, to give you one single merged string, then this operation is known as concatenation. This merging process or the operation is known as concatenation. So concatenation is a proper technical term for merging of two or more strings separated by plus symbol. Is it clear? मैं कुछ नया नहीं बता रहा हूँ, I am giving you a new name to this process.
Sir, the sentence merging of two or more strings, right, sir?
Two or, okay. I missed out that word. Thank you. Two or more strings which are separated by plus symbol to give you one single merged string. This process is known as concatenation. Okay. तो आज के बाद जब भी हम लोग बोलेंगे कि whenever we will be saying that two or more strings are being merged, we will call that thing concatenation. That process as concatenation. Right? Now, अब तो हम लोग one thing we have seen. If there are all the numeric values, then no worries. Use freely all the types of operators, and as per mathematics, you will get the answer. However, strings only work with two operators, that is plus and asterisk. We have seen when we can use plus operator with strings. Now let us see when we can use asterisk operator with string. Okay. Let me go to new page. So second thing that we are going to see is use of asterisk with strings. Okay. Rather use of asterisk with string. Let us test किस चीज के साथ काम करेगा. We know if we are writing hi, can we do this hi multiplied by hello? Let us check. It complains, no, we cannot do that. That means two strings cannot be used with asterisk operator. That possibility is ruled out. Let us see what will happen if I make this one a number, numeric value 4. It worked. What happened? Can you share your observation here?
Sir, it printed high 4 times.
So that means 4, what 4 symbolized, or what, in what way it took 4 for performing what
Multiply.
operation? Repeating that thing.
To repeat any
Loop.
One after the other, continuously, right? So what if we give 4.5? Not possible. What if we give 4 first and then high? Same thing. That means with multiplication, if on one side there is a string, another side there must be
A number.
any type of number.
Oh, sir.
Whole
Only
Whole number.
Integer.
integers.
Integer.
Integers.
That's
Natural numbers.
No. Negative is also possible, but in that case, what it gave?
Nothing.
Empty string.
what about 0, sir?
What about 0? Okay, we will test out. Empty string. That means
Like that, sir.
uh,
Why is it like that?
we will be compiling this behavior in the form of a rule. Okay. So we figure out that with multiplication, with multiplication symbol, if in the expression there is a on one side, then there must be an integer value on the other side. However, if there is a negative integer value or 0, then empty string is obtained. Otherwise, that means for positive integer values, otherwise the given string is repeated as many times as the magnitude of the number. To give a new string, to give a single new string. एग्जाम्पल में हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? वी कैन राइट print hi multiplied by 4. This will, what it will do? First, it will repeat this how many times? Hi equal to the magnitude. Magnitude means the value of the number which is neither 0 nor negative. So 4 times hi repeat hoga, and then a single string will be obtained. Single new string will be obtained. And then this will be printed. यही ना हुआ यहाँ पे? We saw that. So first, internally, this high was repeated 4 times, one after the other immediately, to give a single new string, which will be internally, it might have become something like this before printing. ठीक है? And then वो print हो गया था. So first, internally, this gets resolved to this form, and then this gets printed. So that means this multiplication results in the formation of new single string in which the given string in the question is repeated as many times equal to the magnitude of the integer number. Clear है कि multiplication के साथ क्या behavior होता है strings का?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Sir,
Yeah. हाँ बताओ.
sir, can you execute the
One by one.
command with high
शिवम के बाद जो है, raise your hand. शिवम हाँ बताओ.
Sir, can you execute the command instead of writing 4 and 10? Write 10 instead of 4.
हाँ, we can do it. क्यों विश्वास नहीं है क्या मेरे पे? गलत बता दूंगा. Okay. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. For me, you're right, sir. When I'm writing 100,000 like this.
100 लो, ठीक है। चलो कंप्यूटर को ज्यादा परेशान मत करो, उसको 1000 टाइम्स हाई क्यों प्रिंट करवा रहे हो। ओके, तो ये क्लियर है। नेक्स्ट इज अंकित।
Sir, can you go back to the slide?
स्लाइड, ओके, आई शेयर इट। हाँ बताओ।
No, sir, just wanted to note.
अरे आई विल शेयर इट, डोंट वरी, उसको बाद में भी देख सकते हो। ओके, सो ये क्लियर है, इज इट क्लियर? हाँ, अगर अपना कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए नोट्स बना रहे हो तो दैट्स वंडरफुल, यू कैन ऑलवेज डू दैट। ओके, सो वन मोर थिंग, फाइनल वर्ड बिफोर वी कंक्लूड फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर पेशेंस, बाय द वे तुम लोग ज्यादा देर बैठे हो आज। वन फाइनल कंक्लूडिंग वर्ड विल बी this merging or this repetition. Okay, this operation of repeating this string 4 times, this operation is known as a repetition और replication, दोनों में से कुछ भी बोल सकते हो। So we have seen 2 new things today. When you are using plus with strings, both sides it should be strings only. In that case, a merged string will be given, which will be known as, the process will be known as concatenation. वही चीज जब multiplication के साथ होगा, so in that case a single string will be obtained by repeating it equal to the number of times, which will be same as the magnitude of the number, integer number, and that process will be known as repetition or replication. Okay, maximum कितने बार मल्टीप्लाई हो सकता है, that will depend on the capacity, कितना तुम्हारा कंप्यूटर कितना बड़ा नंबर जनरेट कर सकता है। ठीक है, अभी के लिए मान लेते हैं कि this thing can be repeated till the time your RAM gets filled. Actually RAM पे डिपेंड करेगा एंड तुम्हारे कंप्यूटर पे, जिसके पास 16 GB रैम होगा उसका मे बी ज्यादा नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स रेपिटेशन। आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू अ वेग आइडिया, बट एवरीथिंग हैज अ लिमिट। ठीक है, वो मेमोरी में कितना साइज लेता है, लेटर ऑन वी विल डिस्कस ऑन दोस थिंग्स, तो वो क्लियर हो जाएगा। अभी के लिए मान लो कि प्रैक्टिकली इनफाइनाइट है, दो इट इज नॉट द केस, बट मान लेते हैं कि हाँ हमारे प्रैक्टिकल यूज के लिए वी कैन गिव इट एज मेनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स एज पॉसिबल। ओके, but that will be of course limited by the storage and the hardware of your computer, कि कितना बड़ा नंबर मैक्सिमम जनरेट हो सकता है, वो सब limitations and restrictions होंगे। Right, so with this
what about the different symbols?
What about
Different symbols like @ hashtag?
We will come to that next class. We will start with, remind me, our discussion will start with what is this, also has a special meaning. What is this? Then mathematical operators को डिटेल में देखेंगे, mathematical operators, and then if time permits we will go to, चलो वो लिख देता हूं अभी, पर नहीं लिखेंगे तो तुम लोग एक दो लोग होंगे जो एक्सप्लोर करने लगोगे, so I'll write only till here.
Sir,
Yeah.
is the classes tomorrow?
Ayush and others, I don't know, नहीं होना चाहिए, so what I think is, चलो होगा भी तो मेरे तरफ से छुट्टी रहेगा, I won't take my class. Independence Day enjoy करो. I'm not sure about other teachers, but I think it won't happen. ठीक है?
Sir, means if there is a class of you tomorrow, means you'll not be taking the class.
If there is a tomorrow, there is a class, I won't take class.
Okay, sir.
But I don't think so.
Sir, attendance.
But yeah, I'll download the attendance. But yes, let the confirmation come from your class teacher or on the group. You may ask there.